looking a little sparkly there.
I know. I'm always sparkly.
Oh, that kind of hurt.
Nice shot. Got my mouth.
Bryden, Cody's not sparkly enough. This is getting brutal. I think Danny is the only one that's not sparkly. Oh!
Hugs. I'm not sparkly. Nice hugs.
In the dirt.
Oh, it'll be okay. It's okay. Hugs. I need an egg. Don't give her an egg.
Stop! Stop! Really?
Really? Good shot.
And this.
Yeah.
That's for cracking a whole bunch more eggs. And this.
Okay. Hey, y'all. Everybody save at least one egg and crack it on Danny at the same time because she's not gotten one cracked on her yet.
Am I sparkly enough now?
You're very sparkly.
Thank you.
Danny!
Hey,
We're going to crack them on Danny, except don't
Ollie,
hit her with
Cody,
it.
give me
Just
my egg back.
bust it on her head.
Oh,
Yeah, don't hurt her.
Cody.
Danny, come here! Come here! Come show us what you got!
What did you get?
1, 2, 3! Oh, you got me! Okay, I'm feeling a little attacked.
She's totally missing.
I dropped my phone.
Mom, you got from Dad.
Oh, I get Daddy? Here's my phone. Oh, I got another one?
I love it. Here's another one.
Where?
We are the confetti.
Okay. My phone is dirty.